YADRA. So YADRA means good morning. The equivalent in English is good morning. But literally, like when you do a literal translation, it means wake up. Wake up. Somebody's sleeping, you go and hey, YADRA, 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 YADRA. Did you know that Fiji has over 300 dialects? There's only one province in Fiji that does YADRA all the way from the morning to night to the next morning. They don't say Mbula, they say YADRA. So when someone comes to you at 10 p.m. and says YADRA to you, YADRA, wake up, or good morning, you know where they are from, From Ra province. YADRA si amay Ra.